Are you looking to move and you're not quite sure if you want to do a single family home or a townhome? Well, look, I am in this beautiful community here in Upper Marlboro, Maryland, and this beautiful day in Maryland, and I'm going to show you both options, and we're going to get into that right now. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brittany Stinney, a realtor proudly serving the DMV, and I'm so excited to show you these properties. But before we get into it, make sure you turn on your notifications, hit that subscribe button, so that way you don't miss out on any of the details that we're showing you here. And of course, make sure you scroll down to the bottom if you want to get in touch, whether you're looking to move in the next 9 days or even the next 90 days. Let's get you started on your real estate goals. Scroll down to the bottom. We have email, phone, Zoom call, whatever works well for you to get you on the path to homeownership. We can do that, all right? Now, make sure you stay on till the end because I'm going to tell you about their current incentives, and I promise you these are incentives that you do not want to miss out or sleep on because they're not going to last forever. Now, I normally don't start out home tours in the basement, but it's a busy day here because these properties are super popular. So if you're interested, the time to move is now. But I'm going to show you this basement, and again, keep in mind that this is a model home, so they're going to show you all the bells and whistles and upgrades, but it just shows you all the potential. So this basement, you see you have the walkout right here and nice ceiling height in my opinion, and they have like a wet bar right here as well as a full bath and a bedroom. Now upstairs, I'm actually not going to talk you through it as much just because this is a VIP event going on today. I actually just stumbled upon it, but it's been really informative, so I found out more information to help you make this your home. But upstairs you have you have space for an office, a dining room, a living room, depending on how you want to use the rooms, family room, as well as your beautiful kitchen with doors that take you to outside. Now, in this model, you'll see they have pavers and a nice patio set up. That will not be there in your floor plan, meaning it will be an add-on. But these lots that you see here are a little under 1/4 acre, and this lot that I'm on right now is actually the smallest one in this community, but you can see how gorgeous it is, and it's still a ton of space. So you have outdoor space, indoor space, all your heart's desires, and these floor plans go up to 5,000, actually over 5,000 square feet. Okay, so let's take a look in this bedroom, and it's a nice size, and I love the windows because usually basements are like dark. This one does not feel dark and dreary at all. Nice closet size. I actually thought they were gonna have a door to connect the bathroom, but they don't. But I mean, you just walk around the corner. But you have a full bathroom right here. And I'm assuming this is gonna be, so this will be storage space and your systems like your HVAC, water pump and all that. But there's still a good amount of space down here too if you needed to use this for something other than storage. You might be able to squeeze a room in here. You might be able to and still have storage space. But let's take a look. We're gonna go upstairs to the bedrooms now. All right, so here we are on the top floor with your bedrooms. I can't even say the top floor. We're technically on the 3rd floor because we're gonna go up one more floor for your bonus floor, right? But I'm starting you off in the laundry room where you have a ton of space. And then you come over here, you have one bedroom with a nice sized closet, plenty of natural light pouring in, great ceiling height, can't go wrong, right? And then what I love about this is that you're connected to your Jack and Jill bathroom. So you're just walking through this one. Your Jack and Jill bathroom has 2 sinks, shower, they have the subway tiling and the beautiful tile floor, and then your toilet, of course, and you walk across and you're in your 2nd bedroom up here on this main level. Again, natural light everywhere. If you follow me for more than 5 seconds, you know I love natural light, and that pours in. And even if it's not enough light, you have recessed lighting all throughout your house. But you have a gorgeous walk-in closet in this one, and again, a bathroom right off the bedroom. And then you just step out. I'm gonna save the primary bedroom for last. I'm gonna walk across the hall. We're gonna go into your 3rd bedroom up here. And again, every bedroom actually has like 2 windows. So you're not gonna be lacking light in any of your bedrooms. But I love this one too because it has an ensuite bathroom. So this is great if you have somebody in your family who just needs a little more privacy than others. I mean, honestly, every room has an ensuite bathroom. You just have the 2 with the Jack and Jill bathroom. And this one has its own ensuite bathroom right in the bedroom. And then you also have a nice walk-in closet. So we're gonna walk across the hall to your primary bedroom that is gonna, oh my gosh. So it's just gorgeous. It is gorgeous. That's the best way I can describe it. Beautiful tray ceiling. The lighting fixtures that they have in here to show you all the potential. You actually have two closets. So there's one large closet right here, but you have a second closet across the room, across your sitting rooms. Let's go over there, which I love this little area. And I love how they have it set up where the chairs are facing the window, because this just feels like, I don't know, a good space to have quiet time, get your day right, whatever you need to do. And then you come in here and you have another closet. Definitely a size difference between the two closets, not gonna lie, a huge size difference, but adequate space for anybody, no matter who is living in your household with you. But let's take a look at the primary bathroom. I mean, I love it. The bathtub in itself has me sold. Nice, beautiful floating bathtub overlooking the window. And then you have your shower, toilet, and your two sinks right here, and plenty of counter space. And between your cabinets and your tub, it's just wide. So the layout of this room is really beautiful to me. But let me know your thoughts in the comment. Could this be enough space for you to just feel like you're in a peaceful serenity every time you come home? Okay, before we head downstairs to the main floor, I'm actually not going to talk us through it because there's so many people here previewing the property and taking a look. So we're going to kind of do that a little different, where I'm going to show it to you but not talk you through it in this style. But let's go check it out. So here we are in the loft area, and for some properties you have the option to add a fourth floor like this, but it's a really cool space. You have a full bath right here. Let me just spin around to show you how much space you have up here. It's a really nice addition because you already have so much square footage throughout the rest of the house, but this can be used game room, study room, playroom, workout room, whatever works for you. Private office, because they actually have it set up to show you what this bedroom could look like. So this is a bedroom, could be used as office space, just could be really whatever your heart's desires, because you have this plus your basement. So if you need a man cave, a lady lounge, a kids lounge, a solo lounge, whatever kind of lounge you need in your house to make it feel like home for you, you have the options to make that here in this property. Look, before we get into the next property, I couldn't help but just enjoy this beautiful weather that we're having. And let me just show off this community because it is gorgeous, y'all. It's not even fully built out. Like the amount of properties they said, I believe he said up to 1,000 homes in this neighborhood. Like, I gotta double check that because that seems like a lot. But you know, there is enough space for it as I'm looking around. Because you have, again, townhomes and single family homes. And what I love about this community is that you have this beautiful playground area if you need that, and they also have this beautiful outdoor area that could be great for like hosting parties, and just the seating area. Like, this in itself is what to me makes a community, right? Like, you have so many options to kind of enjoy not only inside your home but just coming outside and taking a walk or whatever fits your lifestyle. You just have options to just enjoy your life here in your home and in your neighborhood. Like, I really just want to stay and play outside, but let's go look at this other house. All right, so here we are again. It's a busy day in this community, but all the more reason why you need to come on over. So we're in the townhome now, our first of the two that I'm going to show you. And this is your first floor right off the bedroom. You do have your garage back here that is currently being used as a sales center. And you swing over here, you have this nice space that can be used really however you want it to be, whether, you know, a formal dining room, living room, maybe not dining room, but living room, whatever you need. And then you have a half bath right here. Let's take a look upstairs. Here's a fun fact. Whenever there's a new construction community going up, you want to get in sooner than later because every time they release a new phase, that price is going to continue to go up. So you don't want to say, oh, I can wait for 10 years. I mean, you can, but you're going to pay more. So now's the time. You have this really pretty deck up here on this main level. You have floor to ceiling fireplace, which is stunning. And then you have a beautiful kitchen with a very long island and great appliances as well. And the day is so gorgeous, right? We can't help but step outside. So you have a great amount of space on your deck. And this is nice too, because these are 2-car garages down below us. And you see you still have a good amount of space in terms of the driveway itself to fit another car if you needed to. But you can just see even from behind me, like this is a very large neighborhood, but they're doing a really good job of making it feel not overwhelming. I mean, granted, it's mainly land now. I get that. But in terms of the features, the community features that I just showed you, like the pavilion, the playground, all those things, I mean, and where the neighborhood itself is located is already a win because you're so close to all the other the amenities that Upper Marlboro has to offer. All right, so let's take a step back into your kitchen. But again, you have this long island with a great amount of cabinet space. I love the lighting fixtures that they chose. This one does show the upgraded kitchen with the hood and your convection oven and everything right here. Gas fireplace, nice deep kitchen sink. And then over here you have plenty of space for your table as well as a bathroom that you can use, which is always nice to have near your kitchen. And now we're gonna head on upstairs. I love the flooring choices. Like I love this oak color that they're using. We're gonna save that for last because that's your primary. We have full bathroom right here with 2 sinks. Beautiful, I like the gray flooring that they use. You have 2 bedrooms right here. So let's step into your first one. Nice size. This might be a full or queen size bed in here. And then you have your second room, which they currently have set up as an office. So 2 bedrooms right here and they both have the bathroom. And now let's check out your primary bedroom. Beautiful windows, just like with the single family homes that we saw. And you have bathroom with that gray tiling and 2 sinks and your toilet right there. And then you come over here and you have 1 closet in here, but it's a deep closet. So 1 closet. So let's go check out the next model. Okay, so here we are to step into the Jenkins model. And this floor is actually pretty similar to the other townhome that we viewed in that you have this nice big space right here off the front door, however way you choose to use it. And you have a half bath right there. This door right here does lead you to your garage, and you also have a coat closet right there. These floor plans, if you're looking for a townhome with a 4th level, there are some options, I think later in the year, but some options to add a 4th level if you need some additional space. But here we are on your main level. Pretty good size still, just like with the other one. The layout is a little different, but here, because you don't have that half bath like we did in the other one. Man, whoever designed these properties in terms of the decorating, they did a phenomenal job with their lighting and everything. But you have room for your table. Again, your appliances, double ovens. This one does not have a hood, but you have your microwave over your oven or your stove. You can always change that out if you need to, and that might be an additional builder upgrade if you're interested. Have your realtor ask, okay? Now over here in your sitting room, consistent with the other one, you have this floor to ceiling fireplace. It just has so much elegance in this property. And I personally love townhomes that don't feel like townhomes, because I think we often have a misconception that townhomes mean small, but that's not the case, because you're gonna have over 2,000 square feet, probably up to 3,000 square feet in these properties, especially if you add that 4th level. It's just a matter of what works best for you. Let's take a look upstairs and see if this could be it. Okay, so here we are on the 4th. Oh, I didn't realize it, y'all. This one actually has a 4th level, so I'm gonna get my workout and we're gonna see that 4th level here. But you have your laundry room here, bathroom right here with 1 sink, and 2 bedrooms. They did a great job with like the window positioning because it's just so much light flowing in here. Now let's walk down here to your primary bedroom. Big enough for a king or whatever size bed you need. You have 1 closet over here, just like with the previous model. And then you have your beautiful bathroom, again with 2 sinks, shower, and your toilet. So you don't have a tub in your primary bathroom. It might be an upgrade. We can check into that. If you're interested, let me know in the comments and I can get that answer to you. Now, let's take a look at this 4th level, y'all. I'm really excited because I actually didn't think this one had the 4th level. All right. So this is nice. And this I guarantee you it's an add-on. But you have this loft area that you can use for so many things. Gaming room, office area, workout room, playroom, whatever fits your lifestyle. But the sweet part about this, you have this beautiful rooftop patio. And I love the flooring choice, just overlooking your new community. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. So there you have it. We have toured 3 properties here in this community, 1 single family home, 2 townhomes, giving you options depending on whatever works for your lifestyle and what fits your lifestyle best. And I promised you I was going to tell you some incentives. And so currently, if you move quickly, they currently have up to $50,000 in incentives that include $25,000 towards closing costs and $25,000 towards any upgrades in your property. So that could take care of upgrading your whole basement without having to put an additional money on the table. Now, those incentives change frequently, so if you're seeing this, you want to move quickly, and if you're wondering if those incentives still apply or if there's any other options, go ahead and hit the comment section below, and we can see what we can do for you. Now, if you have any questions or if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so I know that I'm bringing the right stuff to you. Other than that, I'll see you on the next one.